Hey, this is Evan from Octane Electrons. We're going to take a look at the ANCEL BM200 Pro battery monitor. So this is a wireless battery monitor display that has like a transmitter that attaches to your battery, and then display goes in your vehicle. We're going to put it on my F-150, my 2007 F-150, but I got this for my boat. Actually, the boat's just still winterized, and so anyways, but I'm always worried about the battery condition on it, and we're going to be using this on the boat all summer, but I don't have that yet out of storage, so we're going to use it on the truck for now to test it out. So looks cool. It's got USB-C and solar charging. We'll look at the unit in a second, but that's solar panel on top, so you can put it on your dashboard. Works on car, motorcycle, truck, boat. Works with 12-volt lead-acid batteries only, and it's supposed to get more and more accurate results the longer you have it attached. And I know I read that it can take about 48 hours to start getting super accurate battery health results, and multiple starts of the engine to like drain it down or load test it, I suppose. So let's see what all we got. Here is the display. So SOH, state of health of the battery, 0, it's not connected, obviously. The transmitter's not connected. Would show voltage, temperature, cranking voltage. So a lot of cool stuff. Solar panel for charging. On the bottom, we have looks like a brightness. We'll see what the other button does, I'm not sure yet, and a power button. We've got a little pad for attaching it to the dash, USB cable for charging, instruction manual, and our battery, what do you call it, transmitter, I guess. So we'll go ahead and put it on the truck. Let's grab all this stuff. All right, we're gonna go install it on the truck, and then I'll figure out mounting it to the dash later because it's gonna be temporary, like I said. Okay, let's set that all over here. I've got some Velcro. I'll probably just Velcro this to my battery for now. All right, let's see. But this video is not going to show any sort of permanent mounting. Okay, so let me get this loose. Okay. I'm going to put our battery positive right there. All right, let me go ahead and get these connected. This isn't going to work holding the phone. We'll be right back with it connected and in the car. Okay, so I have it mounted here, connected to the battery terminals. As you can see, red to positive, black to negative. I used some Velcro to mount it down right there so I can remove it and swap it to the boat easily. And you can see it has lights, indicator light on it, low charge, cranking system, temp. So interesting. I'm not sure if those LEDs light up once it's running or what, so we'll take a look. Let's go over here and look at what we did inside. So this truck has a nice spot right here on the left side that I can see easily while I'm driving. So I mounted the display right there. As soon as I powered it up, it connected, and it's on the kind of this little sticky pad. The other button is the temperature unit change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So I'm gonna set that to Fahrenheit. Middle button is power on and off. And the other button is, said it was brightness of the display. And it comes with a kind of like sticky pad right there. So you just set it down on it, and it sticks just enough. It won't move, but it won't hurt your plastic or anything. And I can see it's charging right there from the solar, so that's great. So let's see. 75 Fahrenheit on top of the battery. That makes sense under the hood of a black truck. 12 volts. So let's go ahead and start the truck here. Let me close the door so I don't have to listen to that. Let's start it and check it out. Okay. 8.79 volts, the drop from cranking, and then right back up and charging. And cranking voltage 10.05 volts. We're idling at 14.1, shows the temperature, shows it's charging, and 75% health. And we'll go ahead and do a couple cranks and see. I know it says you can need up to 3 or 4 or 5 starts of the vehicle and up to 48 hours of use before it's going to start measuring and predicting state of health of the battery accurately. So I'm not going to worry about any of this, but there's multiple starts of it. Nothing really changed, so I expect it's going to take some driving and all before we see any realistic indication there. I saw in the manual that it does say it has a motion sensor, so the display will shut off when there's no vibration after a while, and when it feels vibration from driving or whatever, it'll come back on. So that's nice. You don't have to worry about the display. So yeah, I really like it. This is cool. I'll have to do another video checking back in after using it for a while when I have, you know, more thoughts on it after getting it, you know, more accurate and learning the battery. But so far seems cool, super easy to install, easy to use. I think this is going to work great, so I'll get the next month of use on it in the truck and then swap it to the boat in May. So right on, hope you like it. I'm impressed. This is very cool, very easy to use, and a really nice unit. So yeah, I'm stoked. Let's compare over here on my tuner gauge, 14.2 volts or so. 14.2 volts. Okay, so we'll say that's pretty accurate and good position. I can see it while I'm driving. So right on. Okay, hope you like it. Very cool unit, and I think it'll do the job. See ya.